this is Kevin Clue, and I am back on another video. And on this video we'll be talking about market structure in trading and why is it important. Why do we need to know what market structure is? Well, market structure in trading is basically under technical analysis. We use it to identify the direction and the condition of the market by observing the patterns of prior movements. It simply just helps us traders to know if the market is going up, down, or sideways. For you to identify market structure, you can just simply say market structure is the structure of the market. And we have three types of market structure. We have the bullish market structure. That is the uptrend, means the market is going up, creating higher highs and higher lows. Then we have second, the bearish market, which is a downtrend. Market is selling. Then we have the sideways market. Market is just, it will get to one. Market will get to one, it to sell, get to zero to buy. It's just moving sideways. There's no pure direction. It's just moving sideways. So this is basically what market structure means in simple terms. And let's go to the charts and let's show you what market structure is in real life trading pattern and in real life charts. Guys, as you can see clearly, I'm on the V51s index on the daily time frame, and this is a clear example of sideways or ranging market basically. And it's very, very simple to understand and simple to see and spot when you start trading. So as you can see right now, it's just basically a zone whereby we have resistance and we have support. Market comes to the resistance, it drops, comes to the support, it buys basically. So now let's look at these lines that I drew. 256016 basically. Let me show you. You can see that this is an area of resistance. The market just comes here, it drops, it comes here, it drops, it comes here, it drops. That is an example of a sideways movement. And also at this point, at this bottom too, it comes here, it buys, it came here, and it has bought basically. These are a clear example of the sideways market. Market is just like, it's just in a rectangle. It doesn't go above it, or even if it goes above it, it will just drop. It doesn't move. There's no clear direction. It's just moving sideways basically. So this is a clear example of sideways or the ranging markets. It's a very, very difficult market to trade, but I'm not going to teach you how to trade it. I just want to show you guys so that when you see this thing, you can also spot it in your trading. What's up guys? So we'll be talking about the uptrend or the bullish trend basically. Well, just me looking at this, you can know that the market is buying. Well, I'm actually on a chart on V25-1s, and for you to be able to know what market structure is going on, whether it's buying, selling, or ranging, you need to be able to look at higher time frames. So looking at the daily time frame, I know that market is buying. So what will I be doing? I'll be looking for buys. I'll be basically looking for buys. And when trading this bullish market structure creates higher highs and higher low. Let me explain that for you right now. So let me explain that for you right now. As you can see, this is a low, right? This is a high, this is a low, this is a high. Higher highs and higher lows. You can see this low, you can see this low, okay, you can see this low. This low is higher than this low. The next low is higher than the previous low. Look at this high now. Let's go. We have a high here and we have a high. This high is higher than this high. We have a high here. This high is higher than this high. We have a low here. This low is higher than this low. That's basically all about the bullish market structure, the uptrend market structure basically. Once you are able to know that, all you have to do is just buys. Once you know that the market is on the uptrend on the higher time frame, you should be looking for buys, because if you look for sells, you are basically just you're playing with yourself. There's a rule that we go by in trading. You do not go against the trend. If you know the market structure, the trend is buying, please take your buys. And that's it for the bullish market structure. So let's go down to the bearish market structure. So guys, so right now I'll be talking about the downtrend or the bearish market structure basically. This is volatility 10 index. I do not trade this pair, but I just used it for this example. Just looking at this pair right now on the daily time frame, tell me, what do you think? Well, my mind, let's say I'm not looking at I've not traded before, is telling me that it's going down, right? That's what my mind is telling me. So at this particular point in time, what you should be doing is more of sales. You just need to look at points at which to get in, because you already know the directional bias of the market. Once you know the market structure, you know where the market is going, you have already solved about 50% of your technical analysis problem. All you have to do is just know when to get in on that sell and know when to take your profit basically. So now on the sell or on the bearish market structure, market will be creating lower highs and lower lows. What do I mean? Let me explain this right now. Where's my arrow? Yeah. Okay, let me use this particular point. you can see this is a low. This next low is lower than this previous low. This is a high. This next high is lower than this previous high. Let me do another one. This is a low again. This next low is lower than this one. It just keeps going lower, it just keeps dropping. You see this high? This next high is lower than this one, basically. And that is simply what we mean by the bearish market structure or the downtrend market structure. So once you know this, you just need to know when to get in and when to get out. And I'll be teaching you guys in the next video. So I hope you guys, you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And comment in the description box, or just comment if you think that this video was too difficult to understand. Although I tried my best to explain it simple, so just do a short video on it. But I just want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you join the Telegram for Telegram signals. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye.